Welcome back YouTube to yet another video. Today we are going to a car show we got invited to. It's called Cars and Khanefeh. For those of you who are Middle Eastern, you know what that is. But it's pretty much a car show over in Costa Mesa on a Sunday night. So that's pretty good because I just got off work. And yeah, we're just gonna see how the show is, and hopefully there should be a decent amount of cars. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and record once we get there. And before we go in the show, we gotta do one acceleration as always, per tradition. So good. Look at everyone is out and about. I came in pretty late, but yeah. What's happening, G?
Hi.
Nothing much, man.
How are you, bro?
Good to see you.
You as well.
Yes, sir. Where do I park? Just anywhere, or?
I think hit a left.
Okay.
Just try to go as far deep as you can, and then there should be
okay.
something, hopefully.
Sounds good.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Nick, what's happening? How are you, G?
Huh?
How are you?
Good, bro. How are you?
Good, good.
Put me on that block. The cops are after.
Dude, I got you. All right, ladies and gents. So we got a couple SVJs right here. Actually pretty insane. And this is the Zagato version as well. I believe it's one of a few. I don't know the exact stat on it. I have a casual Ford GT right here. Audi R8, a few other cars. But what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go outside and just see all the cars pretty much pull out. So let's go ahead and do that. Wow. Yeah, that's just like I get it, but why in front of like a he's about to get shut down real Alright, ladies and gents, so you have a Porsche Carrera GT right here. Actually pretty insane. The scheme right here, insane. And over here you have that red SVJ. A deduction on points because this guy parked forwards instead of backwards. Most people left, so we're gonna go ahead and go back out front so we can see the accelerations. That's awesome. I got recognized for the very first time, so shout out to you guys. McLaren going here. We're gonna go ahead and start her up. Actually, shout out to these guys. If you watch my YouTube, thank you very much for the support. It really means a lot to me. But yeah, let's just give it a few revs. Got their attention too.
Hey guys, here is the Aston and the grand entrance of the driver and everyone, as you all can see.
Hopefully my car,
yeah. Sounds crazy.
Oh, it's a McLaren. Later on.
You sound fucking good.
Oh, thank you, man. See you later. Nice. Damn, there's a lot of love for the Aston Martin.
Is it the V12?
Yes, sir.
Sounds like it.
Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Heck yeah. People enjoying the V12. BMW wanted to race us. He's like going down. This BMW M4, if you have Instagram, actually sick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit of a short one, but I just wanted to create just a traditional vlog. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps a lot, being that I'm a small-time YouTuber. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.